vertical video, we're using a 16mm lens at this time, and the information of the equipment that we're using will be in the description if you want to know that information. I made it available for you. And if you're watching the horizontal video, then you can also get that information because it's the same camera that we're using. But for the horizontal, the lens that we're using is one of the worst lenses that I've ever used on a camera, and this is the Sony 3.5 to 5.6 16 to 50 millimeters lens, and this is the stock lens that comes with the Sony ZV-E10 cameras. So if you want this information, you can click links and do whatever it is that entices